Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get a pet in Crimson Desert. Now the first thing that you are going to need is pretty much just find a town of your own and try to find if there are any cats and dogs around that area. Now currently right now, I am in Herndon, so it's pretty much the first town that you can encounter. Now right in front of me here to the right is a floppy-eared bulldog. The first thing you have to do, as you can see, the dog is really yearning for you to pet them. Just pull down E, and this way you can earn its trust by +5. Now just keep repeating on trying to pet it at least 5 times, because you can pretty much only do the petting 5 times to earn 25 trust each in-game day. So once you're done doing the 25 trust, you really won't be able to do it anymore until the next day passes. Alright, now since the bulldog is currently at 70 trust, I need it to be at least 100 for me to adopt him. Now over on my inventory, I do have some small bones, as you can see right here. I am just going to press F to discard one of them right to the ground. And it should approach the small bone right here, as you can see. Now just wait for the dog to completely consume this small bone. Once they're done eating it, it should earn you 25 trust. So if you are petting a dog for the very first time, pet them 5 times to get 25 trust, and then drop 3 pieces of small bones. If you are wondering where you can get small bone, we have a video of how to get small bones in the channel, so you might want to check it out if you want to learn more. Now finally, for the last bit of trust, I'm gonna place down another small bone, and this should exceed 100 trust. Alright, as you can see, the bulldog is now fully 100 trust, and I can then hold down E to take it in. And now this dog is pretty much adopted. If you want to see the amount of pets you have on you, just go over to your inventory and go to the pets tab, as you can see right here. And as you can see right here, I already adopted 3 dogs, and I'm now gonna use the floppy-eared bulldog. If you want to unsummon him, you can just press space, and if you want to summon another one, just press space on any one of them. Now for cats, it's pretty much the same thing. You just have to pet them 5 times to get 25 trust. Now they are a little bit difficult because you are going to need some fish, either dried fish or fresh ones that you can get from fishing. So you're going to have to get some fish for you to tame a cat. And that's pretty much about it on how to get a pet in Crimson Desert.